Again, so guys, in this video we will see how to unblur image and videos in the Grok AI. For this guys, first of all, recognize the filter are automatically applied, understand the blurring occur and occur even for being content. Note the content is sometimes misinterpreted by AI. Adjusting the Grok AI content setting. For this guys, you log in into your Grok AI account, navigate to the setting and the preferences and look for the content moderator and safety filter. After that, locate the option blur sensitive images and toggle these settings to off or disable. Save your changes and exit the setting menu and retry generating or view your content. Crafting effective prompts for clarity. Being extreme descriptive in your prompts. Specify terms like clear images, high detail, no blur. Avoid the ambiguous or potential triggered keywords. Break down the complex request into the simpler part. Clearly state and describe your visual elements. So guys, thank you.